Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the world oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of goddess Taima and Tilafaiga, renowned as the Samoan goddesses of strength, wisdom, and resilience. Part 1. Significance of the Taima and Tilafaiga. What does Taima and Tilafaiga represent in mythology? Goddesses. Taima and Tilafaiga hold significant roles in Samoan mythology, representing the divine feminine energies that embody strength, wisdom, and resilience. Taima and Tilafaiga are often depicted as sisters, although there are other representations, symbolizing the interconnectedness of their powers. Taima represents the life-giving forces of nature, fertility, and abundance, while Tilafaiga embodies the fierce protector and warrior spirit. Together, they represent the balance of power and nurturing qualities. Taima and Tilafaiga symbolize the unity of opposites, reminding us of the harmonious interplay between creation and protection, gentleness and strength. Their significance lies in their ability to guide and inspire individuals to embrace both the tender and fierce aspects of their own selves, fostering a deep sense of empowerment, wisdom, and the courage to navigate the challenges of life with grace and resilience. Part 2. Archetypal qualities of Taima and Tilafaiga. Embracing the archetypal duality of Samoan goddesses, Taima and Tilafaiga. The archetypal traits of goddesses Taima and Tilafaiga in Samoan mythology embody complementary aspects of the divine feminine. Taima embodies the archetypal mother, embodying qualities of compassion, nurturing, and growth. On the other hand, Tilafaiga represents courage, resilience, and the ability to face challenges head-on. Tilafaiga embodies the archetypal warrior, embodying qualities of strength, determination, and assertiveness. Together, Taima and Tilafaiga represent a balance of feminine energies, showcasing the power of creation and the strength required to protect and preserve that which is cherished. They serve as archetypal figures that inspire individuals to embrace the nurturing and fierce aspects within themselves, fostering personal growth and embodying the power of the divine feminine. Part 3. Symbols associated with goddess Taima and Tilafaiga. Taima and Tilafaiga, symbolic meanings and representations. Taima is often symbolically associated with the life-giving forces of nature, fertility, and abundance. She is linked to plants such as hibiscus and coconut palms, as well as animals like birds, turtles, and dolphins. Taima's colors are often represented by shades of green and vibrant tropical hues. On the other hand, Tilafaiga embodies the fierce protector and warrior spirit, symbolized by plants such as pandanus and ironwood trees, and animals like sharks, eagles, and boars. The colors associated with Tilafaiga include bold shades of red and black. Part 4. The story of Taima and Tilafaiga. The legendary sisters. Taima and Tilafaiga's extraordinary journey. Once upon a time, in the vibrant lands of Samoa, two extraordinary sisters, Taima and Tilafaiga, embarked on a remarkable journey that would shape their destinies and the fate of their people. Taima, adorned with garlands of flowers, exuded a gentle radiance that mirrored the beauty of nature itself. She possessed a compassionate heart and nurtured all living things with tenderness and care. Tilafaiga, on the other hand, stood tall with an unwavering strength and a determined spirit. Her eyes blazed with the fire of a warrior, and her presence commanded respect and awe. The sisters shared a deep bond, embodying the perfect balance of power and compassion. Taima guided the growth of forests and blessed the land with fertile soil, ensuring abundance for their village. Tilafaiga safeguarded their people, fearlessly protecting them from harm and guiding them through times of adversity. One fateful day, a dark force emerged, threatening the harmony of their land. A wicked sorcerer sought to possess the powers of Taima and Tilafaiga for his own nefarious purposes. Enraged by his audacity, the sisters resolved to confront him and protect their people. Together, they embarked on a treacherous journey through lush jungles, across raging rivers, and up towering mountains. Along the way, They encountered mystical creatures and faced formidable challenges that tested their strength and resilience. Yet, with unwavering determination, they pressed on, drawing upon their unique abilities to overcome each obstacle. As they neared the sorcerer's lair, their bond grew stronger, their powers amplifying in unison. Taima, with her nurturing spirit, healed the wounded and revitalized their energy. Tilafaiga, with her warrior's heart, fearlessly led the way, her presence inspiring courage in their hearts. Finally, they stood before the sorcerer, who cackled with arrogance, believing he could bend the sisters to his will. But Taima and Tilafaiga joined forces, their energies intertwining, creating an indomitable force that overpowered the sorcerer's dark magic. With a final burst of radiant light, the sisters banished the sorcerer and restored peace to their land. Their victory echoed throughout the villages, and the people celebrated their triumph with dances, songs, and offerings of gratitude. From that day forward, Taima and Tilafaiga were revered as the divine protectors of Samoa. Their legacy endured, their stories passed down through generations. Their united presence continued to guide and inspire the Samoan people, reminding them of the power that lies within the perfect balance of strength and compassion. And so, the legend of Taima and Tilafaiga lived on, forever etched in the hearts and souls of the Samoan people, as a testament to the indomitable spirit that resides within each of us. Part 5. 3 Strategies for Personal Transformation. Tapping into the power of the Taima and Tilafaiga archetype. Strategy 1. Embrace the duality within. Recognize and embrace the duality of your own nature, drawing inspiration from the contrasting energies of Taima and Tilafaiga. Explore and honor your nurturing and compassionate side, embodying the qualities of Taima in your interactions with others and the natural world. Simultaneously, cultivate strength, resilience, and assertiveness, channeling the warrior spirit of Tilafaiga when faced with challenges. By integrating and harmonizing these aspects within yourself, you can achieve a more balanced and empowered state of being. Strategy 2. Cultivating inner strength through dance and expression. Engage in expressive practices that allow you to tap into your inner strength and embody the spirit of Tilafaiga. Explore Samoan dance forms, such as Siva Samoa or Fa'ataupati Samoan slap dance, that require discipline, coordination, and a connection to your warrior energy. Through dance and movement, channel the fierce determination and resilience of Tilafaiga, allowing it to strengthen your body, mind, and spirit. Embrace the power of self-expression and use it as a transformative tool to unlock your hidden potential and embrace your authentic self. Strategy 3. Embody alofa and service. Embrace the value of alofa, meaning love, in Samoan culture, by engaging in acts of service and kindness towards others. Look for opportunities to contribute to your community, whether it's through volunteering, mentoring, or supporting local initiatives. Channel the nurturing energy of Taima and the protective nature of Tilafaiga by being a source of support, compassion, and empowerment for those around you. By embodying alofa, you not only create positive change in the lives of others, but also experience personal transformation, a deepening of relationships, and a greater sense of fulfillment. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields, interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual steps. 1. Use Samoan musical instruments to create a melodic rhythm, playing gentle and harmonious tunes to honor Taima and Tilafaiga. Allow the music to uplift your spirit and connect you to the divine energies of the sisters. 2. If you are familiar with Samoan dance forms, such as Siva Samoa, incorporate graceful movements to express your reverence and connection to Tema and Tilafaiga. 3. Reflect on the qualities of Tema and Tilafaiga that resonate within you and the ways in which their presence has influenced your life. 4. Connect with their divine energies, allowing their guidance and protection to surround you, providing a sense of comfort and empowerment. 5. Stand up and offer a final prayer of gratitude and reverence to Tema and Tilafaiga. A final message. Words of wisdom from Tema and Tilafaiga. Resilience is not just the ability to bounce back, but the strength to rise, transformed from life's greatest challenges. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.